Are you someone who is an audiophile or music artist? In this video, I will be checking out the OneOdio Monitor 60 headphone. It is a set of headphone which can be used as a professional studio quality headset for music artists or just regular people like you and me who just want a decent and high quality pair of headphones for my enjoyment. The packaging looks good. Let's proceed to crack open the box to see what is inside. Inside the box, you will find one OneOdio Monitor 60 headphone, with a carrying pouch for protection. A pack of user guide is provided to help users in setting up the headphone. A 3.5mm to 3.5mm headphone jack cable is included for audio connection, as well as a 3.5mm to 6.35mm audio cable for another mode of connection to audio sources. All packed neatly in the retail packaging. On first impressions, the OneOdio Monitor 60 headphone feels to be of sturdy quality with a modern black design to it. I can see that on the headphone speaker ear cups, there is an elegant metal trim to it. It looks very ruminating and attractive, with the OneOdio branding concealed nicely behind a grille design, making it look premium and attractive to users. Let's move on to the user-friendliness of the headphone. It has an adjustable headband, which as you can see, is made of metal, to make it durable and flexible when it is worn on. I can adjust the headband length to fit me during use. Also, what I like about it is that there is soft padding on both ear cups. Just look at it, it feels really soft and comfortable when I press on it. It has this premium texture to it. Even the headband has a soft cushion padding on it, so that even when using for long hours, I won't feel the strain of it on my head. Pretty ergonomic feature. Both ear cups on the headphone are flexible and rotatable. This is to allow for maximum comfort during use to fit the ears of the user. Let's get it plugged in to test the audio of the headphone. Isolate external noises. This is to allow users like me to have a completely immersive music listening experience, to catch every beat and word in detail. During use, it feels good to wear it on. It fits my ears nicely, along with helping keep my head snugly fitted with the premium padding on the ear cups and headband. The overall design feels good, giving me a sense of satisfaction when using it. Overall, I feel that the OneOdio Monitor 60 headphone is a good set of headphone for people like me, who want to have an immersive, crisp and clear session of music, be it if you are an artist, or a regular person like me. If you want to get a set of high quality, and affordably priced headphone, you can consider this. Find out more with the link in description if you would like to learn more about it. Thank you for watching.